Want Perplexity Pro for free and a way to earn up to $20 per referral? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unlock both using a special link. It only takes a minute. Watch this. Alright everyone, first open your web browser. You're going to simply paste the link that you'll find in the video description below. You must make sure to use this exact link. This is the only way you'll get a free Perplexity Pro account and also be able to earn money from this method. Once you press enter, you'll land on the Claim Invitation page. Go ahead and click that button. You'll have two options: sign in with your Google account or manually enter your email. I'm going to add an email manually. It will then ask for a verification code. I'll just open my Gmail, copy the code from the email they sent, and paste it right here. As soon as you paste the code, it will automatically take you to the next screen. Here, simply click on Download Comet, and the Perplexity Comet browser will begin to download. After it's downloaded, you just need to install it. As soon as the installation is finished, launch the browser. It will take a moment to start up. You'll need to go through a quick setup process and log in with the email you used to sign up. Once you've added your account details, the browser will be ready to use. As you can see, everything is set up. If you look at the top of the new tab page, you'll see a banner that says, "Get $2 for each friend you invite to Comet." But I'm going to show you how you can earn much more, even up to $20 per referral. First, and this is a very important step, as soon as Comet is open, you must perform a search. Just search for anything and use it for about 5 to 10 seconds. This confirms to Perplexity that your new account is active. After you've done that, look for the Invite and Earn option on the new tab page and click on it. This is where you will find your personal invite link. Copy this link to share it with your friends. You can also email it to them directly from this page. Now, to see the earning potential, click on the View Payouts option below. This will take you to the partner dashboard where you'll need to do a quick setup. I'll just select my country as the United States and click Continue. You can set up your social media links and payment withdrawal options later. On this dashboard, you'll be able to track all your earnings. It shows 0 right now because I just created this account for the demonstration. Now let's talk about the rewards. The banner said $2, but it can be much more than that. If you click to see the reward details, you'll see it can be as high as $20 per lead. If someone signs up using your link from the United States, you get $20. If they're from India, you get $2. The amount depends on the country's tier. For Tier 1 countries, you'll earn the top reward of $20. On top of that, there's a bounty section. This is a special bonus. For example, there's a bounty here that says, if I generate 10 leads between October 21st and 26th, I will get an extra $100 on top of my regular referral earnings. So, to summarize the process, use the link in the description to download and sign up for the Comet browser. Follow all the steps I showed you. Then, copy your personal referral link and share it with your friends. After you share your link, you can also share this video with them so they know exactly how to sign up and download the browser properly. And as you can see in the bottom corner, we've also received a Perplexity Pro account completely free. So, it's like getting 2 birds with 1 stone. Finally, I want to mention that this is a limited time offer. It could end at any time, so try to take advantage of it as soon as possible. This method is completely authentic. It only takes a couple of minutes to set up, and you can start earning money very quickly.